be able to learn how to fly this.
This is the second of 2 helicopters from the Baltimore County Police Department that are here on display here at Martin State Airport. Take you on a little bit of a tour of this helicopter. Here's the spotlight that, as we talked about earlier, they use at night, and it's so bright that if they fly it over you and they shine that on you, it's almost like having the sun out. If you'll notice right here, this is, if I remember correctly, the FLIR, forward-looking infrared. It's a heat-sensing device that, if they're hunting you down, you got nowhere to run, son. And as quoting from There Goes the Helicopter, if you'll notice right underneath here is one sharp object, and right down there is another sharp object. And what these are used for is in case they accidentally fly into high voltage power lines, it will cut them. And there's the inside of a county police helicopter. You have to go to school and study hard, and that's what actually is picking up the images in tandem from what they see on the camera. So if you're the bad guy and you got one of these hunting you down, you got nowhere to run and nowhere to hide.